Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. The next 24 hours going to look a lot like the last 24 hours. Starting warm and muggy. Lots of clouds. Temperatures going to temper a little bit this afternoon. A few breaks in that overcast, and they are absolutely possible. Could skyrocket those temperatures into the upper 80s, and then we'll keep it warm and muggy and mostly cloudy again overnight tonight into tomorrow. Starting to see a few showers get popping on radar this morning. We take a look here into southern parts of Decatur County from Bainbridge down to Attapulgis. We've got a couple of sprinkles. Got one just south of Cairo right now. It's nothing big, nothing major, but we're starting to see the beginnings of some. We've got a few near Bluntstown, not too far from Mexico Beach. We've got a few showers, and head up towards Panama City. We've got a couple of showers here too. A lot of clouds across the area, a lot of warm, humid air in place, and now that the little bit of energy is starting to rumble across our part of the Gulf Coast, we are going to notice some showers popping up this morning. We'll notice more pop up this afternoon, and depending on what kind of breaks in that overcast we see in between those showers, we could destabilize things enough to talk about a couple of bigger thunderstorms at points this afternoon. So all that is still on the table, plenty for us to keep our eyes on as we go through our Thursday. Thomasville is one of the cooler spots at 68 this morning. Tallahassee at 72, Valdosta at 73. Dew point numbers mid-60s, upper 60s, and around 70. That's why it feels the way it does outside. It's going to be a glasses fog up when you step outside kind of day. Almost all of our temperatures are up over 70. Moultrie's at 68 with Thomasville, and that's it. Everybody else between 70 and 75. It's not breezy, but maybe there's just enough of a breeze to limit the fog. So far, the visibility numbers are all better than 7 miles. Not a lot of organized anything across the southeast, and that's also one of the issues. We've got all this warm, humid air in place. The way the upper level winds are moving, there's nothing new swinging down the road to push all this away, and there's no new air mass coming anytime soon. So this is what we're going to have for several days, and as little pieces of energy find their way into our part of the southeast, that's what triggers those showers. The threat is there for showers and thunderstorms pretty much at any time during the day. I think as we go through our morning, we'll have some. As we get into the afternoon, we'll have some more. Then there'll be lots of breaks in between. Tomorrow, same kind of setup. As we get into the morning hours, maybe a couple of showers, more in the afternoon. There's even more out there to the west that'll try to move into our area at points on Saturday. Now listen, it doesn't mean it's going to rain all day today and tomorrow and Saturday, that you got to cancel all your plans and everything's going to get washed away. That's not how this works. There could be 4, 5, 6 hour periods where you don't see a single drop. But there could also be a 2-hour period where you get a whole bunch of rain, and that's the nature of these scattered showers when you have this unsettled. And this is what we're going to have, I think, all the way through the weekend. And maybe our best chances for the most rain come with some organized rains by Monday. So not even just this weekend, but even into the beginning of next week, I think we're talking about some real chances for some real soggy weather. Now, the SPC has the area in that marginal outlook for today, which means we are not expecting dangerous weather, but we certainly cannot rule it out. So maybe 1 or 2 thunderstorms pop up, and there could be some wind gusts, there could be some hail. So we've got our eyes on several things. Please keep checking in with us throughout the day. We will have lots of updates for you. South and southwest winds on the Gulf up to about 15 knots, seas up to about 3 feet. Not bad for the boaters, just got to dodge the showers. I'll put the rain chances 40, 50% this morning. It's muggy, maybe 50 or 60% this afternoon. It's going to stay muggy. The warm spots probably get to the middle and upper 80s, but not everybody will. Tonight it's more muggy, more cloudy. Some showers are still possible. And as we go through the next 7 days, look at all those rain chances. Remember, it doesn't mean it's going to rain nonstop all the time. Maybe the best chance for a more significant rain looks like it's coming by Monday, but that's way down the road. We've got time to fine tune that. For our Thursday, for our Friday, and into the weekend, lots and lots of scattered shower chances, but there'll also be breaks when it doesn't rain.